Good morning, dear student. I hope you are well. My dear student, today I will explain few topics related to class 12 lesson number first. First, diamagnetic behavior or diamagnetic compound or element क्या होते हैं. So let's start. Diamagnetic behavior. The elements which have the elements which have completely fulfilled d orbital. The elements which have completely fulfilled d orbital have no unpaired electron, have no unpaired electron in d orbital is called diamagnetic elements, and this behavior is called a diamagnetic behavior. मतलब यह हुआ बच्चों, डी ब्लॉक की वह एलिमेंट, वे तत्व जिनके डी आर्बिटल कंप्लीटली फुलफिल्ड होते हैं, जिनके डी आर्बिटल में 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन मौजूद होते हैं. कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन बच्चों? 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन मौजूद होते हैं. उनमें रिपल्सन का बिहेवियर होता है, वह दूसरे एलिमेंट को रिपल्स करते हैं, अपने से दूर भगाते हैं. इस बिहेवियर को क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? डायमैग्नेटिक बिहेवियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, जिंक 30 हैव अ 3d10 configuration. Cadmium 48 also have a 3d10 configuration. And mercury will be 80, also 3d10 electronic configuration. So dear student, in these three elements have no unpaired electron, so these are repulsed to another element electron. It is called a diamagnetic behavior. Paramagnetic behavior. Elements which have elements which have either one or two unpaired electron, one or two unpaired electron in a d orbital is called paramagnetic elements, and this behavior of attraction is called paramagnetic behavior. The electronic configuration of paramagnetic behavior element will be d1 or d2, means d orbital consists either one unpaired electron or two. For example, you have said, for example, you have seen chromium nahi, scandium, you have seen 21. Okay, it have a d1 electronic configuration. Okay, yttrium, it have also 3d1 electronic configuration. Next, vanadium, it have a 3d2 electronic configuration, means two unpaired electron. Niobium also 3d2 electronic configuration, means when d orbital of an element have consist either one or two unpaired electron will be attraction ability, they have attract other element electron, it called paramagnetic behavior. यानी किसी एलिमेंट के इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ खींचने की क्षमता क्या कहते हैं बच्चों, पैरामैग्नेटिक बिहेवियर। और यह तब होगा जब डी ऑर्बिटल में या तो एक या फिर दो अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन। ठीक है बच्चों। थर्ड, फेरोमैग्नेटिक बिहेवियर, ये क्या होगा, दिस इज द हाईएस्ट अट्रैक्शन बिहेवियर। Elements which have consist more than two more than two unpaired electron in their d orbital having ferromagnetic element, and behavior of attraction is called a ferromagnetic behavior. For example, have you seen chromium 24, it will be 3d4. How many unpaired electron have you seen? 1 2 3 4, one electron, 2 3 and 4, four unpaired electron here, so it will be ferromagnetic behavior element. Molybdenum also 3d4 configuration, have four unpaired electron. Tungsten also will be 3d4 configuration, have four unpaired electron, so it will be ferromagnetic compound. See another example, Mn25 will be 5 unpaired electron, so it also will be ferromagnetic in behavior. Tc, technetium 3d5, also 5 unpaired electron, will be 5 electron, so it will be ferromagnetic in a behavior, it will be ferromagnetic in a behavior. Okay, see your orbital structure, 5 unpaired electron, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, next students, ferrimagnetic and anti-ferrimagnetic. Dear student, here arrangement of electron will arises these two properties. When in a element arrangement of electron is like this, one clockwise, two anti-clockwise, one clockwise, two anti-clockwise, one clockwise, two anti-clockwise, these type of arrangement of electron will arises ferrimagnetic behavior. Means when one electron will be clockwise and two will be anti-clockwise, like this arrangement, element is called ferrimagnetic behavior. And anti-ferrimagnetic behavior, when two electron clockwise and one anti-clockwise, two clockwise, one anti-clockwise, two clockwise, one anti-clockwise arrangement, it is called anti-ferrimagnetic behavior. Okay, good luck.